Hello guys, welcome to another video for the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a maze part 2. So now let's go to the map maker and continue our maze. Let's click edit button. Now let's continue it from here. And in the last video I said that we should make placement mode mirror all, then we can make walls like this. We can make our wall like here. We can make our wall here and cover the full area with this wall so that all players could be covered, and I'm doing that. Sorry, I said before at my last video I said that I would not do that. Sorry. Let's go on. So now we have just covered everything. Here we are. So every single wall is covered. So you can make a hole here so that anyone could go from here, or you can make a hole here too. Anywhere you can make the hole. I'm making the hole here. No, I'm making a hole here so that people could go from here only. And the way is only from here, and the other ways are not good. And now there would be 3 ways from where anyone could go, like here. I would cover this part. Now there would be 3 ways from anywhere anyone could go, and this time the straight one would be wrong. It would just end up like here. It would just end up here. No, it would not end up here. There would be 2 more places to go, and they both would be wrong, and they both would be going straight. Till here. They would be going straight till here and a little bit more. Now I will turn them. Right here I turn them, and now they would go from here and they would be finished. And they would be finished from here. And they would be finished from here. And this place would be wrong. Again, this would be wrong, and they would have a way here. I'm not gonna make that way. Now I'm not gonna make that way. Now from this place, they can go from here. This place would be a little bit long. And I could even go from here, and all the places would be wrong. And all the places would just be wrong because it's only the wrong place to go. Here we are. All the places are just wrong. Right here, and they would go from here and here both, and they would even this time they would go from here, only from here, only from one side, I mean. We could go from here only, and there would be places where you could go here. These all three sides will be places where you could go, and all of them would be going to the same place. Now this would not take much time, it would just take a little bit of a time. Now it will go here, and this would go here, and now there would be two boxes here. Only one box here and one box here. But they would need to take a while. That would waste their time to reach to the boxes. And the boxes would also detect them to go to the wrong place. And now this whole area would end. We can remove this bush, and only this area would go right. So here we are. We'll make many ways for this area too. So now we have made some ways from this area. Here we are. Now the first, there would be three ways. Many ways there would be, so that they can choose their one place where they could go. And the first would be going to the wrong side. And like this, the first one would be going to the wrong side. And now the last one would also be going to the wrong side. from here. And the last one would be straight. Like this, it would be straight. And it would join it, the last one would join that place. Like here, join that place. And now this one would be correct. This one would be going to the correct way. And these both would be joined. From here, these both places would be joined. And be going to the wrong place. And this place would go to the correct place. But this one would take a lot of time to go. So that no one would choose this. And there would be a tricky thing, a jumper here. That would make them go to the wrong place. And not a jumper, there will only be a jumper. And here, the jumper would be here. That would take them to the wrong place. And here we are. And it's just done. It's like just done. And it's now done. Now it's done. So this was the part 2 of the video. Thanks for watching. And the part 3, I would show you the battle of this maze and 2 more mazes. So bye for now.